Hello everyone and welcome to another FeedArmy video. My name is Emmanuel and today I will show you how to install the Google Merchant Center store badge in Shopify. So first what we want to do is go to Google Merchant Center next and click on Store Quality. You can then see if you are eligible for the badge if you see this link here that says show the badge on your website. Then when you click on it, you can actually go and see what code you need to add. So as you can see here, this is the basic code, and if you want to add margins, so where the positioning is for your badge, then you can use that as well. If you don't want to change anything, you can use this one, or you can set these to 0 if you want to default into the corner. Make sure that you change then the position if you want to have it in the left corner or the bottom corner or anywhere else. Make sure that you don't overlap any other existing buttons, because that can cause issues. If, for example, you have a chat box in the top right, bottom right corner, then, for example, add the badge on the left corner. So what we want to do is copy the code here. And it's also in my article if you want to copy it over there, but I will link the official document bottom of the description. So what we want to do is go to Shopify and then go to the sales channels. And I always have to type in themes in the URL, because for some reason it doesn't want to show. So I guess because I haven't pinned it here. But if you go to themes, then you go and click on the three dot icon and then click on edit code. Then what you can do is go to the theme, and then within the head section you place the code. What I recommend you do is just place it at the bottom of the head. There we go. And then you can add it in here. You don't need to add anything else because the identification for the badge is done through the website URL. So you don't need to add your Merchant Center ID in this case. However, if you want to keep your section here clean, what you can do is, instead of that, what you can do is go to snippets, add snippets, and then, for example, say GMC badge. Paste your code here and save it. And then what we want to do is do an include. So again, go to the bottom of the head. And then add GMC badge. And then just save. And I just need to delete this one because I accidentally left that in. So we just do it like that. And then just click save. And then once it is active, it will be on your website. Now, one thing you need to remember, once Google says it is active in Google Merchant Center, it does take 1 month roughly for it to be active on your website. I don't know why that is, but I think it is when the website detects sends a script, so this script here. So when it sends this info to Google, it will take a while to update the information, and then once it's I guess maybe manually enabled, then you will see it in your website. So for example, if we go here, you can see the icon is here. One feature that you will notice is that when you reload, it pops up like a big icon like this, and then it goes down into a small icon. And then when you click on it, you can see all the details that you actually see within your Google Merchant Center account. So if you look at this, all this information that you see here will actually be available over here. So if you're not really exceptional or great in certain sections, you might want to first update that within Google Merchant Center before you add a badge, because it does have a portrayal disadvantage if, for example, you have something that is below average. However, technically, if you go here, you will need to have pretty much everything on good terms before you can get the badge. So technically, I don't see that you could have a low quality in certain areas that will have a disadvantage in the top quality store on your badge. And also this badge is now also available on the shopping ads and free listings. So a few months ago, this was only for the free listings, and now it's also available for the shopping ads. So that also gives you a bonus to show you on a visual aspect for your ads and free listings that you are a top quality store, giving you a better portrayal for your consumers and ultimately resulting in more clicks and then thus more conversions. And that is how you install the badge in Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment downstairs. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.